Hi, I'm Peyton. I have ADHD. Whoa, look at that light. There we go. Where did I go? There I am. The hell? Whoa! I see the computer in my glasses. Right there. You like my aviators? And you like my hat too, don't you? I live in Florida, and I'm wearing a snow hat. You like my purse? I think it's pretty. Where did my phone go? I had it. But, brr, it's cold. What was I doing again? Oh, that's right, my phone. I found my phone. See? Hi, Mr. Phone. It's locked at the moment. Anyways, I don't know what to talk about. I mean, it's just, I don't know. Okay, well, talk to you later. Bye. Did the video stop yet?